Make a great choice today with the 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, touring suspension, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.